Today, I'm going to tell you about the most important resource of our company, that is, its employees. Perhaps we are the only company which has a staff consisting only of ladies. Right from the team of directors to the employees working in the factory. Yes, this was a conscious decision. As Savior stands for women's safety, why not women empowerment by giving them jobs? The first step in human resource or HR is recruitment. We first work upon the number of posts to be filled and the time it will take. Then advertise in leading newspapers, internet and also the word of mouth. Interviews were conducted. Safety at working place. Under the Occupational Safety Act of 1970, employers had an obligation of safe working environment. It is more so in our case because Savior stands for women's safety, employer relations. It has to do with strengthening the employer-employees relations. It is concerned with job satisfaction, engagement of employees and resolving workplace problems. Compensation and benefits. It has to do with compensation structures for employees and its benefits. We have already covered an insurance for all the employees of our company. Training and development. Since ours is a new product, we have given extensive training to our employees and hope to do so in future. We also have an after-sales service team which is here to attend all the complaints that the consumers have and resolve them. Our aim is to make Savior a success. Jai Savior, Vaha Safety. Thank you.
At last, I'd like to invite all my team members on stage.
Of your presentation was the product. The product was really good, very innovative. Okay, and but a little more technical details could have been given. The product was always very good. The price was mentioned actually. It was not meant for poor people. Anyway, it was a very good beginning, wonderful beginning. Kudos to you. Keep it up.
1 minute. It was a brilliant presentation. You were all so confident and so good on stage. And the product which you were introducing, I wish it really come into market to make all the girls safe in India or all around the world. God bless you. It was a wonderful presentation. Very nice.